Wow, bro. Wait, what is this actually? I don't know, mate. Ah, we have a wonderful view, mate. Ooh. So, I think these people are catching a fish from the I don't know the name in English, but if you, as you can see, these people are catching the fish, and I think this seagull, I think it's a seagull, it's trying to go and take the fish, but like so many of seagulls here. Wow. So that's a famous blue mosque in Istanbul. So yeah, it's magnificent, right? It's amazing. I like this place a lot of time. This place is every time amazing. Lot of wow. I wish you people can see the same thing what I see from my real eyes via the camera. Wow, it's so beautiful. Woo! What? This is like crazy. What a place. So as you can see, everyone is like trying to catch the fish. You can see full of people trying to catch the fish with the machines, but lot of maybe I hope some seagull not taking my my camera, but it's like a nice view, man. Amazing view, bro. Amazing view. Wow, crazy, man, crazy. So yeah, guys, I'm gonna close the video with this view, as you people can able to see. So it was a wonderful day, and Istanbul was a nice memory. So nomading in Istanbul, I really recommend for everyone. It's a beautiful journey. It's magnificent opportunity, and everyone should come to Istanbul if they are trying to work from home or work from remote. It's the best place that you can find for affordable price, mate. I can guarantee you that. So see you soon in where is that? Bulgaria. Bye. I'm gonna go to the Bulgaria. Wish me all the luck. I hope no one robbed me, and no police is gonna annoy me with the visas and stuffs, and I'm gonna be careful. So Bulgaria is definitely a so boring country. That's what everyone was saying to me. Might be I could surprise, but let's see. Let's see, mates. See you soon, mates.